Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Now we are going to see about the process deployment of IoT based smart security and monitoring device for agriculture, which is an Android application. Then comes the abstract of our process. So in the real world, many farmers face problem in monitoring their farms. So the farmers have more difficulties to monitor all the farms at the same time. Hence, the project is developed to monitor the farms in the field with temperature level, soil moisture, and water level and humidity level. Here, all the data are passed into the server and are able to monitor the plants continuously, and also easily able to monitor the health of farms. Admin and farmers are the two roles involved in our app, which is helpful for users. This proposed system is oriented to provide smart irrigation and delivering real-time notifications based on information analysis and processing. While looking in terms of monitoring aspects, the presence of water in the well farm is monitored, and then the moisturing level of the soil and the temperature of the surroundings are monitored. In our process, admin will add details of some crops regarding production, which will be helpful to the farmers. Farmers can view the details of crops and also can check their field details and can obtain results regarding. If the field has exceeded the level, then the alert notification will be viewed by the farmer while checking the health of the farm. Then comes the flow diagram of the process. So the flow diagram shows the process diagrammatically. There is two process controller, admin and the farmer. So admin has separate login and farmer has separate login. So once admin logged in, admin can add the all crop details, and the farmer should enroll and log into the process. Once the farmer logged in, they can view the all crop details, which is added by the admin. So they can view by the categories: crop database, crop management, irrigation management, and fertilizer, on-site analysis. Like this, the separate categories in detailed description, that is the details, will be provided by the admin for each crop. And also, admin can also check these crop details added by them, that is in detail crop database, crop management, irrigation management, and fertilizers. So the different categories can be viewed by admin and by farmer. And also farmer can put their own farm crop name, location, humidity level, and can check whether they need water or they need pesticides or fertilizers. All the details can be checked and get useful from this data. Then comes the running procedure of the process. So this agriculture process, was developed in Android Studio, and just we have to input the code in Android Studio and launch the app. So this is the home page of the process. So you have to click here. So this is the main page, admin panel and the farmer panel. So first let us see about the admin process. So this is the admin login page. We have to enter the username and password and click login. So admin, username, password, admin. So login. So once the login success, so these are the categories for the admin: crops database, crops management, irrigation management, fertilizers and pesticides, and feedback. So first let us see about the crops database. So this is the crops database. Here we have to enter the crop name, and we can add, update, delete, and view the crop details. So first I'm giving rice. So add. So here these are the details we are going to add for the particular crop. So it was inserted successfully. So we can update the details. So here I am going to enter the name and here the soil type can be changed, so by clicking update it will be updated successfully. So then we can view the whole crop details. So these are the details. Then we can search particular crop, click search. So these are the details for the crop management. So then comes the irrigative details. So these are the fertilizer and pesticides for the particular crop. So these are all the process comes under admin. So then next comes the farmer. So this is the farmer login and registration page. So for the new user we have to register. So here I had register successfully. So here I am going to log in. So the login was success. So these are the categories under farmers, crops management, irrigation management, fertilizer, pesticides, on-site analysis, load crop man, feedback. So here we have to give the crop name, and this is the crops database, this is the crop irrigation, this is the fertilizers and pesticide. So then comes the on-site analysis. Here we have to give our crop name, humidity, disease and rodent, and by clicking check form it will show the results regarding that. So the humidity level is very low, so we have to pour water for the crop. So it's showing notification, and it needs pesticides and fertilizers, and it shows the fertilizer name and the pesticide name. So then comes the road crop map. So we have to enter the crop name and the location. So based on the crop name and location, the levels of these details will be displayed here. So then comes the feedback. Here we have to enter the feedback and submit, and replied. This can be replied by the admin, and the reply can be viewed by us. So then, so here the replied for the feedback will be viewed. So this is the admin side. So admin will click here and enter the answer. So the feedback was acknowledged. So here it is updated in the farmer page. So that's all about our process. Thank you.